Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 33 of the Cougar Connection. We had a really great week here at SMS this past week. It was a busy one. As you can see, we concluded our girls volleyball season. We also had cheerleading tryouts, and we had several activities ongoing throughout the week. This week upcoming is also going to be a busy one. We do have midterm grades going home on Monday, as well as an admin team meeting on Monday, Site-Based Council meeting on Monday at 4. We also will be having high school scheduling and unified arts. 7th grade students will take on demand, and we will be having the Algebra 1 final. Hopefully we will have that concluded by Wednesday of this week, but all students who are taking Algebra 1 will be taking that final, and we have had a lot of students who have already completed it and they have passed, so they are going to earn a high school credit, so congratulations to those students. On Tuesday and Wednesday we will have high school scheduling. Wednesday is Administrative Professionals Day, and Thursday and Friday our 8th grade students will be in Washington, D.C. Friday, as always, is Bring It Friday, and we will have Kona Ice. Over the weekend, we do want to wish a happy birthday to Mr. Brett Lawson. So a couple other things, parents, to keep on your radar that is upcoming. The father-daughter dance is going to be May 13th. It is open for any student, or any girl, actually, pre-K through 8, and you can pay for that by sending your money to the SMS office. It is $10 a ticket. Also, we have yearbooks on sale right now. They are $22 each, and you can send money to the office for those as well. We do want to take a moment today and shout outs to our student spotlight students for this week. Congratulations to Hanley High, Presley Dowdy, Bobby Applegate, Tynan Richardson, and Hunter Rigdon. These students traveled to Versailles on Saturday for an all-day leadership event at the Life Adventure Camp. Students were provided this opportunity through our local Rotary Club. Participating students prepared an essay and were selected to attend, where they had the opportunity to meet other peers from across the state. Students participated in a number of leadership presentations, used teamwork skills to participate in an amazing race competition, which included lassoing horses, archery, wall climbing, among other skills. A big congrats to each of these students for participating in this RILA event, and a huge thank you to our Rotary members for investing in our future leaders. So we're really proud of those students. That's an awesome opportunity for them, and we are so glad that they got to attend. So congratulations, guys. For our Achieve 3000 leaderboard for last week, congratulations on Monday to Blake Buckler. Tuesday, Heaven Gilbert and Josh Rigdon. Wednesday, Gabby Lear. Thursday, Katie Hammond. Friday, Kobe Nicholson. The two students with the most activities at 75% or above on the first try is Katie Hammond in grade 7 with 7 activities, and Kirsten Harrington in grade 8 with 8 activities. And our weekly top scorer for this last week was Heaven Gilbert. We have had some movement on the Alex leaderboard for this week. We would like to congratulate Ross Banks, Zippy Pollitt, and Dennis O'Dare for completing 8th grade math. And it looks as though we have several students who are just awaiting that final knowledge check to also complete their content for this year. And that is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.